today we're going to replace the third brake light on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver or power tools to get these out. Once you remove those, go ahead and pull the light assembly out. Alright, and the ones we're replacing is going to be for the brake light, and it's these here. Go ahead and twist these out. Might have to finesse it. Alright, here they come out. Let's go ahead and pull them out of here, just like so. There they are. You can tell they're bad. Here are the replacements. Let's go ahead and take these out. These are 921s. Alright, there it is. So just go ahead and insert them back into its location. And have someone hit the brakes for you, see if they work. Yeah? Oh. Well, go for it. Oh, there it is. I guess the key had to be on. Sweet. There it is. And let's go ahead and put everything back together. Alright, go ahead and secure it back into place. Might need both hands. Alright, there it is. That is how you change the third light. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.